It's about a quarter after 12 in Port Credit. We have a snowstorm-ish, if you want to call this a snowstorm. Quarter after 12 at night, obviously. Salting down the GO station. I just saw that coming. That's so cool. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I guess they're gonna have crews coming out soon to do the sidewalks as well. Afterwards, I don't know if it's the same crew that's gonna do the thing or, but yeah. Okay, just salted down the sidewalk or the road because that's where our buses go. Oh, he's coming back. First official snowstorm of 2022 in Port Credit. If you want to call this a snowstorm.